Made it to Oregon. Got here late last night. We were pulling in. We seen patches of snow and ice all over the ground. Had the diesel heater fired up while we made dinner and watched a show last night. I believe it got down into the low 20s. We did turn it off, turn off the heater before we went to bed. Slept pretty good and stayed warm in the back of the truck. Got out this morning, again, same thing, no winds. We're gonna probably make breakfast here shortly. We're here in Oregon. We plan on doing a lot of sightseeing, exploring, all while living in the back of the truck. We'll be here for at least a week or so. So we'll see how things go, and let's get going. Sebastian, speak up. Speaking to the mic. Huh?
Is this what you saw over there?
Where? Oh no, it was on this side. I didn't even see these. Oh, it might have been.
Well, back there near where we were at, there was like a no trespassing sign, so that might have been the one you saw.
Yeah, there was. We were staying so close to people's.
Yeah, apparently we were near somebody's backyard.
Alright, we just left camp and we're headed out to, or at least try to get to Crater Lake due to how much snow and late in the season it is. We're not sure of the roads or even if the park is even open, so we're going to drive out there anyways and see what we can get to, see what we can find. And we might have to use going 4-wheel drive. Looks like they paved or plowed the roads here. Alright, roads got a little slippery. I had to put it in that 4 high, and it seems to be a lot better now. Alright, we got snow. Starting to snow on us. Hello.
Hello. Did I tell you that the lake isn't visible? I did or not.
Can't see it?
Yeah, the lake and the island are currently not visible due to snow.
Okay, that's fine. Sounds good. Thank you. You have a nice day. Alright, we made it into the park. Fortunately, they said we may not be able to see the lake because of all the snow. Well, I guess the guy wasn't joking. Can't see the lake from here. It's just all fog. Oh, I can see the mountain back there. Can't really see the snow. I mean the water.
Come on, Sebastian.
Apparently, this looks like the walk down to it, I think. Maybe? No. Show there's a platform somewhere. Hey. Alright, well I can see the platform right there. That would be the overlook of the lake. There wasn't so much snow and fog. I don't know, there's a safe way to get down there. Where are you going? Get back over here. Come on. Come here. No?
I'm not gonna listen now.
Come on.
She's free and in her happy place.
I swear, she's like part husky. She is not cold at all. This is the first section that doesn't have any. They didn't groom the roads or plow it. Alright, we're still up here at the Crater Lake Park. Since we couldn't see the lake, we found this little spot out here. We're gonna have lunch and let the dogs run around a little bit, because this guy right here enjoys the snow a lot. And then we'll decide where we're gonna go, since tomorrow is Christmas. We'll decide where we want to spend it. Alright, we just had a quick lunch in this little hidden parking lot. I'm gonna head out and look for camp. Ashley's gonna check out this little spot.
The other two are getting very jealous.
Make it up?
Huh?
Can you make it?
Working on it.
Watch these big old holes down
Yeah,
here.
I see that.
Someone fallen through a couple times. All right, we found this little pole out on the side of the road. And since we couldn't see the lake, we decided to stop and check this out. Big old, I don't know, what is this, little canyon? Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, hopefully our next spot isn't a bust. A little spot I seen on the map, a little clearing. Hopefully there's not anybody there. Get some right here. Alright, made it to camp. Found this little spot right off the side of the road. You can see a car passing by right there. We pulled in and we saw this big old stack right here. We're like, what the heck is this thing? We thought it was just a big old tree stump or a big old rock or something. But if you come around, it's a fireplace. How cool is that? I've never seen a fireplace like this camping all these years. And then right behind us, probably can't see it tonight, I'll have to show you in the morning, but there's a roaring creek running right here, just between us and the road. There's a creek. All right, well, glad we didn't stay at that little pullout. That was actually a state park. Decided to take a chance, drive out here, and the place is literally just big enough for probably one group. If there was any other vehicles here, we definitely wouldn't have came out here. They probably wouldn't have liked it, and I know I wouldn't have liked it. So yeah, and then the spot before that little pullout was a snow park. Well, we were supposed to camp behind the snow park, and there was a road that leads down behind it. But for whatever reason, the machines that plow all the snow end up pushing all the chunks of snow there, and if it was just regular snow, soft snow, I would have just drove through it. But I checked, and they were hard as a rock. They were ice. They were literally ice rocks, the size of my tires. So I didn't want to risk getting stuck on it, hung up. So we ended up not going there. And it kind of worked out because I ended up finding this place out here, and man, can't wait to check it out in the morning. All right, we are all tucked in, going to bed, and it started to rain. Not sure if you guys can hear that. All right, day 2 of Oregon. Rained a good amount last night, and I think a little bit this morning. It's a little misty right now. I believe it got down probably in the 30s, and it didn't feel as cold. Same thing, we just ran the heater for dinner and a show last night, and woke up a little late this morning, slept in, but man, check out this place right here. We got this pretty cool fireplace here. I've never seen anything like this before. Not quite out in the middle of nowhere, but still for a campsite like this, which is pretty cool. And you can see I got the umbrellas out from last night. We were trying to keep the entrance to the back dry. They're tilted right now so they can dry off. And right now we were hoping to head back to Crater Lake and see if we can see the lake this time, but looking around, it looks pretty foggy. So we may dip out and work our way north and see what else we can get ourselves into. And we are back. Crater Lake. And strikeout number 2. It's even more fog than yesterday. Oh. Well, we took a gamble to come back to Crater Lake hoping we could see the lake. And the fog did not lift, even with all the rain from yesterday. The lake is somewhere down there. Big old lake. Guess we'll have to come back another time, another season. I was really hoping to see it with all the snowfall and everything. The real reason we came back, let these guys play in the snow one last time. Especially that big one right there. She loves the snow. Alright, so we needed gas. This is the nearest one for us before we get to our next destination. And it's closed and it's locked. Being a holiday, gas makes some of the gas stations up here closed. Well, that didn't do much. Alright, made it to a gas station. First time having someone else fill up my gas here. It was about $92 to top this thing off, and we are at a full tank. Alright, we made it to Diamond Lake. Look at that. Water is frozen right here. This is a boat ramp. Oh shoot, look at that. Ooh, that's scary. Come on, you don't want to walk on it? You scared? Come on. Oh, that's slippery. Oh my God, this place is beautiful. Wow.
Want to jump in, Randall?
Oh. Oh, that is ice. Huh?
Their dog makes some weird noises.
Here you go. You a piece? I lucked out for a bit. Looks like the fog's lifting a little bit. And check out how clear those mountains look. Man, check out that view right here. This is so cool. Campground is closed for the season. It's $10 a night out here. So that's no good. All right, our third night here in Oregon. Found this beautiful little spot out here, not too far from the road, but got plenty of snow around us. Earlier we took a shower. First time doing a shower out in this cold temperatures. Last night didn't seem as cold as it was the other nights, but this morning I checked the temperature, it was in the low 30s. So we had the diesel heater plumbed into the shower tent, and the water that was coming out, at least for me, it was blistering hot. Whew. Talk about a brisk shower. Heated a little bit. Got the diesel heater plumbed in there, but once the water's turned off, it's better than nothing, but you can still tell it's cold. We'll try it again with the umbrella on top, and hopefully that keeps some of the heat in when we turn the water off. And I feel so refreshed right now. Get breakfast going. Got a couple of sights to see along the way before we head into town. Got a couple of things we got to restock on and go from there. We were here last night, but it got too dark. Couldn't really see anything. So we're back again today at, what is this called? Clear Lake Falls. And hopefully we'll be able to get a better look at the falls. Here's a little interesting sign here. Be advised, wolves in the area. Never seen one of these before. Should be interesting. It was worth coming back.
Yeah.
God. We don't have anything like this in California. Well, maybe we do, we haven't found it. Oh, look how clear that water is. Oh, that is crazy clear. Oh, it's clear, what is it called? Clear Lake Falls, I think it was called?
Clear water.
Clear Water Falls.
Rambo, look, you can walk across.
Oh, look at that. Water really is clear. That is awesome. Even from way down here, the water is still crystal clear. Guess this place earned its name. Look at that. Run away across?
You can get across.
Well, I don't want to go across and then slip and end up in this crystal clear water.
Well, don't fall down. It looked like there was a path on the other side. I just didn't know where the crossover was. Terminator, not too
It's going to be
fast.
slippery to walk on. I don't have my right shoes for this.
Well, we don't have to go all the way.
All right, well, we made it across. Now we got to make it back over. Oh, shoot.
Don't
Oh.
fall.
Might not make it back over. At least not the way I wanted it to.
Hold on. Slow down. Wait. Go. You just go. I don't care. Go. Okay, fine. You go too. Leave me behind. Be gone with all
You're
you.
the ones with the boots for this. One down, a couple more falls to go. Got another falls we're gonna go check out. Like I said earlier, there's a few of them on our way into town where we'll have to restock. This one's called Watson Falls, and I believe it says it's about just over 1 mile round trip with an elevation gain of 30 or 370 feet. So we'll see how it goes. All right, this is where we start our hike. Got steps. Not looking good. No, just kidding. Alright, well, the elevation or the climb is definitely a little on the steep side. Already at one of the first ones. Wow, look at that. Oh, is there a water? Oh, I thought that was I thought we had a water crossing to do. It looked like it went that way. I was like, uh-oh, we're in trouble.
I was letting him walk, but we were starting to fall very far behind.
All right, looks like we're coming up to a little viewpoint, I think, maybe. If not, it looks like a viewpoint. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. Get to see little spots like this along the way. Hopefully that motivates us to make it to the end. Ooh, we got a bridge crossing. Exciting. Why you look like you're struggling? I didn't even realize we were coming up to this. I've been looking down at the other one. Oh! I don't know how high this goes up, but ooh, this is a big waterfall. Oh, we made it. I think we overdressed. Got thermals on and it is freaking warm. All right, made it to fall number, what is this? 3. Yeah, we're on the 3rd one. And then as we're pulling in this parking lot, we see this big old tube with water leaking out of it. Kind of scary. Look at that. Look how much water is coming out of this thing. And this thing is huge. Look at that. I've been plugging it up with metal sticks. Here's the vehicle's precise comparison how big this tube is. A free car wash on the way. And a shower. Another shower. Look at that one. A lot of pressure there. God, it's leaking. Look at that. It's been leaking for a long time. The road's been washed out. I guess they just leave it leaking. All right, they said this one is a mile or 0.8 of a mile. One way, less than a mile. Okay. Said it was an easy hike with stairs, so see how it goes. We're not overdressed, hopefully, this time. All right, so far it's been a gradual climb up. This is our first set of steps we've seen. The guy we spoke with earlier said there's a lot of stairs. So this might be the start of all of them. Looks like the whole hike goes along this big old creek. It's a creek, right? Not a river?
I don't know.
We'll call it a creek. See that? My God. I think this one's a better hike than the last one. Just look at how clear that water is. Wow. That is amazing.
The views are better over here.
Yeah. Last one wasn't bad, but this one's definitely so far the winner. And more stairs. I think I see the end.
Get a picture over here more.
Your destination is on the left.
All right, this is our 4th waterfall. That's why we didn't have to hike anywhere. We literally can just drive right next to it. Little baby waterfall. Pretty cool though.